I got a special video for you. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. Jeff, Arizona Hot Homestead. Today, we're going to talk about that item right up there. They sent this to me and says, hey, take a look at this item. These lights are cool. Let's take a look. Video's on that guy. So I've already taken it out of the box. Here's what we got. Check this out, guys. It is the Onforu 2-pack solar outdoor floodlights, 5 heads. There's some of the information there for you. 8 hours charging. Make sure it's fully charged. There's some other good information there for you. Give you an idea what the heck it is. So let's just take a brief look. So what we have here is we got good bathroom literature, as I joke about it. Good information on this. Information about the remote control. Folks, I love this remote control idea. Give you an idea of what's all in there. Sorry I got the glare going. It's a nice sunny day here in Arizona. Some instructions on the whole thing. List of tools there that you're going to need. There's some dimensions there. And then of course all the other little specs that some people like to see. Get a better view of it here. And then good instructions on how to put it up and all that stuff. And even how to change the batteries in the remote control. And then even the batteries in the main unit itself, because that one battery that's in there eventually is going to go out. So you're going to have to replace it eventually. The good bathroom literature. Check these babies out. I like these. I've already been looking at them and kind of playing around with it. But check this stuff out. You can turn these all kinds of ways. You know, there's your sensors. Look at this. You can make this thing go. So what you can do is this here will mount on a post, for an example. Mounted on a post, well, mounted on a post like this because solar panel facing upward, right? And you can have pretty much, look at this, you can have basically a 360 degree view. So you can do a post and then you can even move some of them down. All kinds of deals that you can do. I like this. And of course, solar panel you can rotate in your direction you want. Now when I've been playing around with these, one thing I learned is once you go to put it up, there's a little button right there. That's the on button. You got to turn it on before the remote controls work. Once you press that button, you don't have to touch it ever again. Well, except to replace the battery. So mounting hardware, I've already opened this pack here. Now what's interesting, the mounting hardware, there's 8 total. But yet there's only two pieces here to mount it. So you kind of have extra mounting hardware. And then of course these guys here, if you're going to put them in like masonry or something like that to block. I'm going to be putting it in wood, so the screw itself would be just fine. On off, what I like about this is you don't have to keep climbing the ladder to change things. You can just control it from your remote control. There's 3 modes. I'll go over that here in a little bit. And what's cool though is on this guy here, you know how when you have a party and yet you kind of don't want the light because you got like a fire pit going on, you want to see the stars or whatever, you can just turn the whole thing off. And then turn it back on when you're ready to go to bed or whatever. I'm liking this idea. And you just remove this here for the battery. Alright, now let's install it. There you go, south facing. Now I kind of like the one that goes underneath, because then you can put the panel anywhere. So like on the north side of a building, you can still move that around. But if you're going to be in the sunny area like that south side like this, or even like in the east or west or corner or something like that, this is a beautiful, I love this thing. And then tonight, oh hush Concho. And then tonight what we'll do is I'll break out the remote and we'll turn it on and show you the 3 different modes. So, that's to install it. When you install this, don't forget to, there's an on button on there, so don't forget to press the on button. I know, Concho, I'm telling him that. Concho wants to go for his walk. So, there you go. Do you want to go for your walk? Is that what you're trying to tell me? I know, but it's too early. We got time. No! Concho, you're a nut. Where the rabbits at? Where the rabbits? Where the rabbits? Oh, dude, go find a rabbit. Get a rabbit. Get a rabbit. Go get a rabbit. Dude, just go. No, I'm not going. You go. Just go find a rabbit. So I've changed it to mode 1. It's going to hit bright for now. 20 seconds later, it should go 10%. Or no, it will go off. So let's just stand still and see what happens. That's mode 1. See, it's off. And then when I move, see, it comes right on. And it's 100% bright. I like that. So let's let this go off. And then we'll change it to mode 2. So this is mode 2. It's 10% on until it senses motion. Now it's 100% on. And 20 seconds later, it will go to 10% on. There's your 10% on. Now the third mode, this one I think is 30% on all the time if I recall right. So this is mode 3. Mode 3 should always be on at 30%. So it doesn't matter if I move or not, or so this is 30% and it will stay on 30%, doesn't matter if you move or not. Now I like mode 1. See, there's 100%. And after 20 seconds it will go off. There you go. So there you go. I love them. Those lights are awesome. Get one. Click the link down below. See you. Bye. Have fun.